It can be printed directly on such a fabric as cotton, nylon, polyester, and etc. We also have a new process that can be printed on any other textile fabrics. It takes about 2 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the printed pattern and the color on the printed cloth. It can be printed on t-shirts of any color. To print a black t-shirt, you need to print it with white ink first and then print it in color. About 0.2 to 0.3 US dollar for one t-shirt. Will not fade according to our process to print, can be washed and the color will not fade. It uses fabric ink. CMYK fabric ink is 50 US dollar for 500 milliliters. White ink is 100 US dollar for 500 milliliters. One set ink has 5 colors in total, 300 US dollars. One set of fabric ink could print about 600 to 800 t-shirts. In most countries, we have door-to-door transportation services. You don't have to worry about imports, customs, clearance, tariff, and etc. For countries without door-to-door transportation services, the cost of shipping to the local ports is about 300 US dollars. Air freights and express delivery can also be arranged, but the cost will be higher. It's not recommended that you use the Air Express. Installation of the printer is very simple. We have manual and videos to help you to install and use the printers without any problem. When you get the printer, we will create a group for after service with 2 technical persons in China to solve all your problems about the installation and the use. We recommend that you turn on the machine to print once a day. If you will not use it for printing for more than 3 days, it is recommended that you clean the print head with cleaning fluid to prevent the ink from drying out and also to block the print head. Our machine has 1 year warranty, except for the print head, because the print head needs our maintenance. It is best to turn it on frequently to prevent the ink from drying out and blocking the print head. Before the printing, use the heat press machine to iron the cloth. And after printing, use the heat press machine to let the ink dry quickly to get a better printing quality. You could transfer dollars via bank, Western Union, or credit card on Alibaba. Yes, we'll send you 100 milliliters free ink for each color. You could print about 100 t-shirts. You need to buy a heat press machine for a better printing quality. Yes, you need to spray the pre-treatment liquid before the printing for a better printing quality. It is necessary to print the pattern on the transfer film first and then sprinkle the transfer powder. After the transfer powder is evenly distributed, it is heated in the oven to melt the transfer powder and finally use the heat press machine. Press it on the cloth and tear off the transfer film. We have detailed video, don't worry. You could buy those ink from your local market too. We use USA brands DuPont ink. You could also buy ink from our company. We could send you all the parts and ink by DHL or FedEx.